Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you this Chaparral 367 BH. It's a fantastic fifth wheel. So we'll start outside. By the way, if you find this video helpful in any way, feel free to like and subscribe. Right here we got a auto level system. Okay, this is the Lippert one. You can go up and down. You can just touch auto level once and it just does it. You can hit your hitch height, so this thing will remember the height that your truck needs it to be for hitching on. And then you can hit retract all once you've hitched on, and they'll all lift up, all 6 points, okay? So that's super big because that means that hitching on and leaving the campsite is completely a one-person job. Here's how big your tanks are. You have 2 tanks, one on this side, one on the other side. So that's what that bay is. And right here, this is your through storage, this through storage bay. Now this dial right here, that is a solar control. So yes, this thing, well, that's a battery disconnect, but this thing, if I turn it now, because I have solar on this, we're actually getting power off the solar right now. So I get to show you it with lights. Now, right there is your front bay. That's your solar control. That's your solar control. And then here's the other side of that same bay. Now coming up these steps, you get to see this super awesome layout. In my opinion, this is a perfect bunkhouse fifth wheel. Very popular floor plan. We don't hang on to these for long. Now what you're gonna see is your living room right here. Your TV, so you get this whole entertainment center, and you get the 2 seating areas right here. So that one does turn into a bed. That one does not. That one's just reclining like feet part. And then right here you have massage lights and heater. And then you have a place to put your remote, cup holders, lights in the cup holders, lights underneath the seating so it like glows the carpet. It looks fantastic. Can I show you that off? No, I can't, it won't work. Not that it's broken, but it's not the right voltage right now. Right here is the refrigerator and the refreezer. So that's your space. And then right here is your 3 burners. You get the oven right here. This thing lights, well that turns on right now. This one lights up. And then here's your counter space. This is a 1 big sink. And right here is your other counter space that you have for prep work and stuff. Cabinetry up here, cupboards below, and below this too. So that's the kind of storage you have. Don't forget you have a whole pull-out drawer underneath your oven right there. Coming back here, this is your bunk room. So this is super big. So that's a bed. This will be a bed. And then that's a bed right there. So this does come down, but if you want to sit on the couch, you don't want it hitting your head at this height. So that's why it buttons up. So right here, you get a place to put a TV. That way the kids can kind of just hang out and watch TV. Right here, you have a ladder it comes with to get the kids up there. It clips into here super safely. So that's safe. And then you have cupboards right here. And you have your own bathroom. Super nice to have. It does have a separate door in there so you can escape out that end right there. Guests can come in from the outside and use the bathroom from there. Now coming on upstairs, this is your shower inside of your bathroom area. Here, let's get that opened. Go ahead. Nice. I like that shower because it's wide. Then I come in here. Now this is the bedroom. Okay, this is a slide out right here. It's already slid out. That's your kind of closet space you get. That's huge. That'd fit all me and my wife's stuff that we'd go camping with. And then right here you have this much more. Now if you want to, it's kind of hard to show, it'll let you reach in there. if you want to, you can get a washer and dryer put in right there. It's plumbed for it. So that's super useful. Now this rig is a super fancy rig in terms of the way it looks. But under the hood, it's an extremely well-built rig. It's one of my personal favorites. I would own one of these, and that says a lot. The walls are made with Asdale, which is a composite material that cannot rot, decay, mold, mildew, or delaminate. It cannot do that. Look it up. It's everywhere about how that's a fact. And then also, you have metal cage construction in the whole thing. This is actually a 4 seasons rig. You have a heated and enclosed underbelly. It does have the 12-volt heating pads and the chambered ducted area below for the air to blow. So this is a super well-built brand, and this is a super popular floor plan within this brand. I think you should come see it. So if you have any questions on how to make an appointment or anything like that, reach out to me, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535, and I'll help you out. Thanks.